Put butter and olive oil in the pan and melt it, and put the minced garlic and toast it a little bit. Prepare the fish by rubbing salt inside and outside the fish. Then, pour some of the garlic butter sauce into the baking dish. Then you also brush the fish with the garlic butter sauce inside and outside as well as in the sliced areas. So I'm going to cover the fish with foil for the first few minutes. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees centigrade, mga 5 minutes before you put in the fish. Pasok na natin yung fish. Bake for, tignan muna natin, 30 minutes. So this is the output of our baked fish. It's ready to serve. Enjoy!